All right, so I got this thing tacked up here. I'm gonna raise it up so I have a little better position. I'll show you what I had to do to get the electricity to work. I had to make an adapter to go from the plug on the side of the wall to the plug for my box, and it was a big old hassle. So let me see how we get going here. Let me shut off this tractor so you can hear me. All right, so I got the tractor off so you can probably hear me. You might hear the hum of the welder in the background. I tacked this on so that way I could lift it up off these jack stands. I had to move it around, get it adjusted right. I guess it's not like this super precise thing. It's a landscape rake. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some heavy beads down. Hopefully this metal will be warmed up enough to take a good bead. We'll see how it goes. Goddamn hood didn't darken that spot. I'm in trouble with my liner here. Want to keep jamming up. Gotta try to keep it as straight as I can. It needs to be replaced. It's probably 15, 20 years old. So that's going to be it. I'm just going to go through, weld this all up, spin it around, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully it clears the tires. I didn't think about that till last night. So right now you're probably saying, let me see your welds. No, that's pretty embarrassing. They're not welds. I haven't welded in about a year, so it's yeah, I don't even pretend to be a welder on the internet. So it does hit the tires when you swing it, which means I won't easily be able to flip it from reverse to forward. But I think what I can do is I can hook up something to this, pull it up, and then be able to swing it around. Hook it to the roll cage up there, lift it up, swing it around, and then try it the other way. We'll see how that goes. So what I ended up having to do was make a little, what I'll call a dongle, to go from there was a 4-prong plug there down to a 3-prong for my adapter extension cord thing. So now I get to move all this stuff back and get this put away before it starts raining or snowing. You can see the pond's frozen over down there, so hopefully, it'd be fun to go ice skating, but it's not thick enough at this point. And I don't know how to ice skate. I did fall on my ass the other day on the ice, just straight to my ass, actually to my back, cracked my head on the ground. It was pretty fun. Hang on. Yeah, I'm not worried about painting it. It's just a farm tractor implement. So one of the other things by getting it off of the jack stands and lifting it up is it drops down about a 1/2 inch there, so it gives me some room so I don't end up welding this to the to the part above it that pivots or doesn't pivot, the pivot point there. So I think that's it. I'll just bolt it back together. It'll be nice and square at this point. I don't have to worry about it gouging the road. It kind of wallowed out the center. So all right. So the reason why I got to get this welding done is because, as you can see, I started moving the shop, getting stuff moved into here. I got to get, I had to get the place cleaned up. We just kind of pile boxes in. So, and the reason why I've been moving stuff in kind of in a rapid pace is the shipping container that all the machine tools was in has leaked at some point. You know, I've had it maybe a year, and it started leaking. And now it's doing a condensation. It's basically raining and kind of raining inside and getting everything wet, and then it's freezing. And so at this point, I need to get everything out of there. In order to get that stuff out of there, I've got to get some ballast on the back of the tractor. So I'm going to get like 3 55-gallon drums and mount them onto my box scraper, and hopefully that'll be enough ballast to be able to haul the milling machine and the grinder. We will see. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully this wasn't too long and drawn out. And sorry it's dark. I don't really have much for lights. I have some little party lights. Woohoo! But they're not really enough to do anything. Looks pretty bright, but they're not bright at all. Thanks for watching.